have to hold them with your hands.
Close your eyes, Katie.
Don't open. Okay, you guys want to open and look at each other?
What do you have?
have on?
Don't they?
What's your shirt, Scott? What's say on them?
Mickey Mouse here. Mickey Mouse here.
What do you think that means?
Disney World. Disney World.
What about it?
What do your shirts say?
Cinderella's castle.
What else?
Enough.
Eat lunch.
That means we get to eat lunch.
Look at your shirts, guys.
What means we get to eat lunch?
Where do you think we're going right now?
Disney World.
Right now.
Yay!
Right now, we're going to get in the car and get on an airplane and go.
Yay!
That's why we got up so early.
We're going to the airport right
What do you
now.
think?
Okay, you're all going to get on an airplane and go to Disney World.
Yay! How long?
For a week. 7 days.
Yay.
Are you excited?
Yep.
You want to put your shoes on and get in the van?
Wait a
Let's
minute.
go.
Guys,
Hey,
here.
wait a minute.